de auto. On my way to Brugge. Todo lo gente aquí. Dag Ruben. Oh, this light thing. It's not Black Girlfriend. So Xavier has come join us. Look at her there. And Benny. Yes. So now we're gonna have breakfast as I eat this. Giving the camera the look. I don't know what look that is. And I'm having an English breakfast. Look. It should not be that greedy, but I am going to it. Yeah, so I'm gonna just vlog a few snippets to save space on the SD card. Yeah. We are about to leave the hotel. Nos erbij laging hotelje. Hebben porta. To at the persona number no? And it's a beautiful place. Look, it's like historical. We're looking for something fun to do. Hey baby, they wanna marry you. Behind the scenes of this man, them nonsense, crazy ass stuff. So now we're in the parking situation. We put away some stuff. All our valuables are with us. But so we're leaving the parking lot and the parking garage, but Zaid and Terrence are still downstairs because we are looking at cars because apparently they love themselves some cars. Yes, they love vehicles. Vehiculo. So, where are we exactly?
Bij een gebouw. Kijk, een gebouw.
That is a wow. I did not know that.
I use words. We need to stop me out.
Look at that! Look at that! I'm able to wish my name is Samia.
Hey.
Oh my god! Yeah, so we're at the square. I don't even know what we're gonna do.
Hallo, ik ben Terrence, aangenaam, de knapste van allemaal.
You might as well speak English because the vlogs are all in English, not in Dutch.
Nee, voor mij is het gewoon in Nederlands.
And if you do your vlogs in Dutch, I have to subtitle it. I'm not doing
dan ga je
that.
Hi, I'm Terrence, and I'm the hardest of all of them. Haha.
These people are characters. Look at these characters. This is...
Are you ready for it?
And on that note, let's keep walking. We're at the square we were at yesterday. The place we ate at was where the green. Oh, we ate there. Oh gosh, we ate on that side somewhere. And yesterday we drove here. Apparently, it's a 3-minute walk from the hotel. But we didn't know yesterday, and we were hungry, and it was late. It was almost 10 o'clock. We're like, okay, we need to get to wherever we're gonna eat quickly, because we didn't know if the kitchens will be closed.
And let me see myself.
Look at them. So now we're at the square, back at the, I guess this is a cathedral. Look at her. I guess that's a cathedral. And on this side you have horses, so you can take carriage rides, I guess. It's a quite historic looking place, and you know what? I don't even know where I am. Well, yeah, it's the market. It's the marketplace. And Xavier is it's a mess. Yeah. Very long walk. Not. Oh, there's a droplet on the thing. Let me clean y'all. Woo! Let me clean you. Woo. Yeah. After a short walk in the rain, we have made it to St. Jansplein, and it's because there's a chocolaterie, because this place is really well known for their chocolate. So the best way to do that is to visit the chocolate factory, because I have a golden ticket, because I have a golden twinkle in my eye. Yeah, we're going to the chocolate factory. Side of the museum where they show you what they use in order to make the shapes of the different types of chocolate and what they did throughout the years to achieve that. And I want to show you, but I have to wait because there are people watching. But this is it. Yeah, so now we're in room D of the museum, and you have different canisters and chocolate attributes that you can purchase that we now know, that we still use, I mean. Different types of chocolate and the origin of chocolate, which is this. So that was a compilation of what we just saw and did in the museum. And now we're gonna get our hot chocolate. I'm not sure if I'm gonna drink the hot chocolate, basically because it makes me feel some kind of way. My insides and milk are not the bestest of friends. I don't have pain or anything, but the flatulence, c'est real, is real. So now we're just walking to that place and we'll see where that leads us to next. I'm pretty hungry even though we had a good breakfast, but I would like to have some lunch right now. It's about, I'm not sure what time it is. Oh Jesus Christ, I didn't see the girl was taking a picture. So now we're basically looking for a place to eat, and it's very, I mean very touristy. There's tourist stores everywhere we go. Look at him. So I'm not sure where we're gonna eat, but later saw a place that she said looked gezellig, which doesn't have an English translation, so I cannot translate that word. Chévere would be a good one. A place that looks chévere. Yeah. We're in the second joint. We just got up. We were in another place, so it was fuller. It's like, okay, we want to eat here, and I don't know what happened, if he was talking to Saeed or he was talking to somebody at the other table, but the waiter was really rude, and it was before we actually ordered anything. So I was like, let's go, and like we got up, and now we're here in another restaurant, and the service is nicer, the people are nicer. So yeah, hello YouTubers. No, pero mi me se va a quitar. You look in the lens. Here? Yeah.
Hello, YouTubers.
You're looking at yourself again.
Yeah, again.
Hello, YouTubers.
We're in Brugge. We're just chilling here, without eating. You know? Abo acting in even pagkirawa acting.
Yeah, I do also look up, but you should look at the leg.
Benny, say hello. Benny, say hello. Benny, say hello.
Oh my god. She's on repeat just like a broken record today.
Hi.
That was it. Fran, do you want to go on a boat? No! Bar Felicia and friends. No.
Als zij shopt, dan wil ik
Oh, wacht even. Wat is er aan de hand? Mag ik iets niet weten of zo?
Nee, tuurlijk
Jullie,
niet.
y'all are being so secretive. Like, what's
Misschien
going?
juist over jou praten.
Ik hou je in de gaten. I'm watching you with one eye.
And I'm keeping you in the holes.
In what holes?
Wait.
Okay, that's all I got.
I'm gonna go for the putting on my sunglasses and leaving it in the middle.
Yeah, exactly. What I'm gonna do right now is I'm looking for sneakers because I've been looking for sneakers back home. Couldn't find anything that I like. Sarvia, Terrence, and what? No, Sarvia, Benny, and Zaid have gone on a boat trip.
Ik denk dat we naar rechts.
And I need to find myself a few sneakers because my shoe game is like just sad. It seems that today is the 25th. We got money. So we're walking through the city center. I don't know how much in space I have on my SD card, but I hope I still have enough to vlog everything that is happening. Next to your friend from 17 years. You have to start vlogging now. For what reason, Sarvia? For what reason? Because I'm right here. Right here. Anyways, so sa kanando di wait. What? I'm vlog. That's not what we're doing. Yeah, so now we have shopped a bit.
Yes.
I've got myself some early underwear. I'm very happy with that. And what have you done? What else have you done?
We had some deep conversations about relationships and what do you want.
Life and love. We have been enjoying the smell of Wonka. Zaid, Sarvia, and them went on a boat trip, and they said, "Oh yeah, it's because of the what you call it, beer." I'm like, if beer smells like this, you should be consuming it.
It's not good for your insides. It's a mixture between beer, pee, and
yeah, feces. Yes, excrements. That's it. It just smells like it smells like a bum's mom. I know. Let me stop my stupidness now. Yeah. So now I think we're looking for a place to eat. We've walked around, we've shopped and pee. Actually, we're contributing to the smell of the city. We're crossing the street. I wanted to say something, but I totally forgot what it was.
looking at the history of chocolate, and I'm wondering, where is Willy Wonka?
Nou, dat is zo'n chicken aan, gewoon tong zo schoonmaken.